In this lesson, we are going to set up few Photoshop custom shortcuts so that we can speed up our workflow. Go to Edit and then Keyboard Shortcuts and go to the Layer panel, then drop down. Okay, now we are going to first of all go to this Rename layer because we are not going to use a Photoshop help time to time, so we are going to set F1 function 1 key for this rename layer. So I'm going to press F1 and then add shortcut. You can add one or multiple shortcuts, but let's keep it that way. Okay, first set up this to F1, then in further down we are going to set up this convert to smart object. This shortcut we will be using a lot of time, so I have set up it as Alt or Option plus F5 or function 5 key. You can set up whatever you like. Okay, now in the Align panel, we are going to do a lot of alignment with different objects in Photoshop. So most of the time we use these vertical centers and horizontal centers. So I have set up Alt Control V for vertical, just to remember that V is for vertical, so it's easier to remember. Then in the horizontal centers, Alt plus Control plus H for horizontal. Okay, this is done. Now move on to one more section, which is window. Okay, move to the window, and in the Arrange tab here you can see that there is option Tile All Vertically. So I have set it to Alt Control plus F10. You can set it up whatever you want, but this is how I have set it up. So these are the keyboard shortcuts we will be using a lot of time. Okay, now if you want to save this shortcut profile, you can click over here, or you can create a new set based on the current set of shortcuts. So I have renamed it and saved it as UI Design Shortcuts. So press OK, and we are good to go to the next lesson.